Yeah, today we're gonna working on the rear back door of a 2017 Audi A7. Fly off, and then there's a leg on it, so you just slide towards the front. So this is a Torx 25. So one at the door handle, and then another one at the back. I mean at the bottom by the light. And then there's a door latch, just slide towards the front and then remove it. And then you see the red one, just pull out and then push the bottom and then you release it. Okay, so this is not the factory it wasn't the factory speaker, so they've used a spacer which is like comes with the Alpine or either Pioneer, you know. So they just screwed 3 of them here. So you have to use a spacer and use a 6.5. Now they put the dynamite because there's like a little gap, so they trying to block the air hole. Okay, so they custom the tweeter here. It's not the factory tweeter either. This is so this is blown out, so we're gonna replace it with a different tweeter, and then I'll be back with replace it. Okay, so this is how I put the tweeter in there. I just use the wire tie to from here, and to the tweeter to hold it. Because they don't have a stock mounting bracket, so you know, instead of a glue it, because when you glue it, you know, when you replace it later, you know, it's gonna be hard, you're gonna get hard time. So we're gonna do this way, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'll put the tweeter back in and then plug the wire harness for your door. And then put the door latch. put it back in. Just slide on the top. Push it. And then put the 3 screws that go back to there. Leg back in and then click it. Okay, all set for the rear left, but the rear right side should be the same process. Thank you for watching.